Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Thursday, August 8th, 2024. Franklin Templeton launches a mutual fund on Arbitrum. Superchain members hand over their upgrade keys. Hyperlane introduces its HYPE protocol token. And Nouns celebrates its 3rd anniversary. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Firefly, a one-stop Web3 social aggregator developed by Mask Network. Use one feed to connect with all users across Twitter, Lens, Farcaster, and all Web3 socials. Try it today at firefly.social. Franklin Templeton has launched its on-chain U.S. government money fund on the Arbitrum 1 network. The fund provides tokenized access to investments in U.S. Treasury securities and repurchase agreements, with shares trading under the ticker BENJI, maintaining a stable price of $1 per share. Available to both retail and institutional investors through the Franklin Templeton platform, BENJI currently offers a 7-day effective yield of about 5.27%. The fund has a market capitalization of over $400 million. Arbitrum 1 is the leading Layer 2 network by TVL with over $14.6 billion in assets. Franklin Templeton is an asset manager with over $1.5 trillion in assets under management. Superchain members Mode Network, Zora Network, and Metal L2 have transferred their chain upgrade keys to the Optimism Security Council. The move advances the chains towards Stage 1 rollup decentralization, which is achieved once they have a functional proof scheme and a multi-sig override mechanism such as the Security Council. The Optimism Security Council, composed of 13 members, oversees the management of upgrade keys for OP stack chains on the superchain. A quorum of about 75% of member signatures is required to execute emergency protocol upgrades. OP Mainnet has already reached Stage 1 rollup decentralization and is now progressing towards Stage 2. Base also aims to activate fault proofs by the end of this year. Interchain messaging protocol Hyperlane introduced the Hyperlane Foundation and its native protocol token, HYPE. The Foundation's mission is to oversee and expand the Hyperlane network. The HYPE token aims to promote a developer-owned network aligning the interests of users and developers. The Hyperlane Foundation will also launch the Hyperlane Alliance, a group responsible for representing user interests and managing a grants program that rewards significant contributions to the protocol. Hyperlane aims to tackle the fragmentation and security challenges of bridging between rollups by facilitating seamless cross-chain arbitrary messages and contract calls. And lastly, Nouns, a generative NFT project that auctions a new NFT every 24 hours, celebrates its 3rd anniversary since launching on August 8th of 2021. The project has auctioned over 1,000 NFTs, with all proceeds directed into the Nouns DAO treasury, which currently holds nearly 5,000 Ether. Each Nouns NFT holder has voting rights on DAO proposals. The Nouns NFTs are also in the public domain under a no copyright reserved license, enabling anyone to create and sell derivatives. In other news, the Clave smart wallet launches CLV.eth subdomains on zkSync Era. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on X at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.